Welcome to this tutorial video, where we'll learn how to import an Excel or CSV file into the Barcode to Sheet application. To import a file, click the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. And click the Import CSV, xlsx option. In this dialog box, enter the sheet name. Once the file is imported, it will appear under the name you define here. Let's name the file as Import Sheet. For the columns, I only want to import the first 3 from the file, so I'm going to enter 3. Finally, click the Import button in the dialog box. This will redirect you to your local storage, where you can select the file to import. I'm going to import a file called test. Select the file simply by clicking on it. The file has been successfully imported. Click on the imported sheet to open it. That's it. I hope you now understand how to import a sheet into the Barcode to Sheet application. See you in the next tutorial video.